Welcome back to the SQL for Testers and Developers playlist. In this video, we will explore how to filter and retrieve specific data using SQL's most powerful filtering commands. Where to filter records based on conditions, like to search for patterns in text, in to match values from a given list, between to filter data within a range. Filtering is a crucial skill for testers validating data and developers optimizing queries. Let's get started. Please open your Workbench app. Select the database first. And type this command to see the current state of the table. Select star from employees. So let's start from the where clause. The where clause is used to filter records based on a condition. Without it, a select statement retrieves all the rows. Let's retrieve employees from the IT department only. We need to provide this query. Select star from employees, where department equal to IT. Let's execute it. As you can see, we have two entries in the response. Alice Johnson and David Wilson. They both have department as IT. Now let's retrieve employees earning more than 70,000 as a salary. Select star from employees, where salary is greater than 70K. As you can see, Alice and David have salary more than 70K. We can compare this response from the table data. Let's execute. So let's start from employees. By checking the salary column, we can see that only Alice and David have salary more than 70K. Charlie's salary is exactly 70K, and our query says more than 70, so we will not see him in the response. Now let me show you how can we retrieve employees not from the IT department. So we need to type this query. Select star from employees, where department not equal to IT. Let's execute it. As you can see, two people here, Charlie and Emma, they both not from the IT department. Their department are finance and marketing. So this sign means not equal to. I want to mention that the where clause is case sensitive in some databases. Always check your database settings first. Now let's talk about like operator and what is it needed for. The like operator is used for pattern searching in text-based columns. So it supports two wildcards. %, it represents any number of a characters. An underscore represents exactly one character. Let me give you an example. Let's try to find employees whose names start with A. Select star from employees, where name, like, and here we need to provide first letter as A and then %, and semicolon in the end. So let me select the whole query and execute it. In our case, the first letter is A, so the response will be only for Alice Johnson. But let's see other use cases. A plus %sign means first letter is A. %sign plus A, it means that the last letter is A. And if we have A right in between two %signs, it means letter A is present somewhere in the string. Now let's find employees whose names end with son. So we need to type this query. Select star from employees, where name, like, %sign plus son. Select and execute it. As you can see, we have two names, Alice Johnson and David Wilson. They both have last names and with son. Now let's find elements whose names contain AR anywhere. Again, select star from employees, where name, like, two %signs, AR. Select it and execute. As you can see, only Charlie Brown is in the response just because name Charlie contains a R in the middle. Underscore has a little different logic. As you know, one underscore means one character. If we want to find employees whose names have exactly 10 characters, we should type this query. Select star from employees where name like, and here we need to provide 10 underscores. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's select it and execute. In our case, Emma Davis has 10 characters in her name because it contains name plus space plus last name, which is 10 characters in total. Like keyword is useful for searching logs, user data, and error messages. The in operator helps filter records that match multiple specific values. For example, find employees from IT or finance department. Let's do that. Select star from employees where department. Here we need to provide in keyword and then use this format. First department is IT and the second department is finance. Let's select it and execute. As you can see in the response, we have 3 entries: Alice, Charlie, and David, just because all of them are working in IT or finance department. Now let's find employees earning exactly 68 or 72K. Select star from employees where salary in, and we need to provide those numbers. 68K. Select star from employees where salary in 68 or 72. As you can see, David and Emma, they have salary 68 exactly and 72 exactly. It retrieves employees with either of this salary. Why use in? So in is shorter and cleaner than writing multiple or conditions. It improves readability in large queries. By the way, let me rewrite the same query using or keyword. Select star from employees where salary equal to 68,000 or salary equal to 72,000. Let's select it and execute. As you can see, option with in keyword is much cleaner. Now let's discuss the between operator. The between operator is used to filter data within a specified range. It works with numbers, dates, and even text. For example, we need to find employees with a salary between 70 and 80K. I will type this query. Select star from employees where salary between 70K and 80K. Let's execute this query. This query is inclusive. As you can see, we have 3 entries as a response, and all of them have salary between 70 and 80K. Also, we can combine conditions using and, or, and not. For example, I need to find IT employees earning more than 75K. I will type this query. Select star from employees where department equal to IT and salary is greater than 75K. Let's execute it. And as you can see, only Alice Johnson is from IT department and her salary is 80K. Now let's find employees in marketing or finance department. Let's type this query. Select star from employees where a department equal to marketing or department equal to finance. Let's select everything, execute it, and as you can see this response, we can see people from finance and marketing department. Combining filters makes queries powerful for testing and validation. Let's combine everything we know and run a real-world query. Suppose we need to find employees from IT and finance departments earning between 70 and 80K whose names start with A or C. Here is a query. Okay, select start from employees, where department in IT and finance. We need to use a keyword and salary between 70K and 80K, and name like A plus percentage sign, or name like C and percentage sign. Let's close it, select everything, and execute it. As you can see, Alice and Charlie are from IT and finance departments. Their salary is between 70 and 80K, and their names start with A and C. Feel free to add more entries to this table and retrieve them using keywords we've learned today. Now you know how to filter data efficiently in SQL using where filters data based on conditions, like searches for patterns in text, in matches values from a given list, between filters values within a range, and or not combines conditions. In the next video, we will explore sorting and grouping data using order by and group by. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. It was GNT Creator. See you in new videos. Bye.